Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be melting some classic aluminum cans, some beer and soda cans, into some really cool shiny aluminum ingots. Keep watching the video so I can show you how I made these. Alright guys, as you can see we're loading up the cans here. I'm gonna put the can in there. I'm gonna put two cans in there. So basically, so it goes way quicker. You take a cast iron pokey stick like this and you just poke them down. They really melt quickly and then it's completely liquid. Avec ça, je pense qu'on a beaucoup là-dedans. Do you think we got a lot in there? Alright, these cans are literally getting vapor here.
Is it a scrap?
Alright, we're gonna be ready to pour. Yep.
Enlève ta cuillère de là. Hein.
C'est correct, on a besoin de ça.
Ah, ça va.
Alright guys, this is going to be our second pour here. We're just starting to load up some aluminum cans. As you can see, they're starting to melt in there. Here are our two first ingots. One's really small, but the other one's pretty good. We filled up the thing pretty much at full. I'd like to make some of these little corn ones. They look really good. So yeah, we didn't have any more propane in the propane tank, so we had to switch that out for a new one. And I don't put my gas on really high for aluminum because I think it's a big overkill for such a metal that melts at like a really low melting point. So this is all my aluminum cans here I'm melting in my devil forge. There should be like around 450 to 500 in here, and this is from my family and friends that they bring me their cans and I melt them down and I make some cool looking ingots like these ones, which I can on a later date smelt down and turn into really other cool art. Don't last really long in the forge. They get incinerated, turned into liquid. Alright, let's let that cook a little longer and we're going to be ready to pour. Viens voir ça. Alright, we're gonna be taking out our ingots now. This is the corn ingot. Oh wow.
Nice.
These are some few smaller ingots, little beads of aluminum. Still has the corn shape on it. This one too, probably. There you go, that's some, this is the stuff I won't remelt over here. This I will remelt in that little part there. Here's some small aluminum plates. And here is the ingots. That's the first one. This is gonna be the second one. There it is.
Il y a un reflet direct du soleil.
Alright guys, so this is the third aluminum melt of the day. So as you can see, we're melting some aluminum ingots. These are some ingots that turned out less well than some other ones. So I'm just melting them down to make some cooler ingots out of with the graphite molds and the corn cast iron molds. Alright guys, as you can see, we're loading up some more aluminum cans in here. We got a big pool of liquid in there because we started off with some pure aluminum ingots. And as you can see, we pretty much there's still a lot of cans left in there. We pretty much burned through 1/3 of this, so I'm gonna make a lot more videos burning these aluminum cans here. I think there's a lot more than 450 in here. There might be 700 or maybe close to 800.
Ça quoi? Très pesant. Très pesant. Ça va bien porter.
Alright, we're gonna be ready to pour. Let's turn this off. Then don't forget to turn off your second valve. Close the choke. Open it up. We got a pretty much full crucible of molten aluminum here, as you can see. Let's take it out. This is quite heavy. Not as heavy as copper, but when there's a lot of aluminum, it can get pretty heavy. Let's start by the corn. No.
Oop. And corn.
Yep, another corn.
And another. I think.
Alright, we're gonna be ready to take these out. Let's start by this corn. As always, the corn look really good. There's another smaller corn right there. Some other little parts. Let's take this one corn out. This corn looks actually really great. I'm gonna have to cut off these parts and remelt them. That's cool. We got 2 more corn. And these ingots. That's ingot number 1. Looks really good. When it like this, there you go. This is ingot number 2. There you go. They're pretty much equal size. They look really good together. Alright, let's put these in water. That's good. Guys, this is all the slag we got from those cans. It's a lot. I'll probably be remelting it. If you look closely, there's some good aluminum in there, but not much of it, so I want to get that out. So I'll probably be remelting that in a future video. Alright guys, in the end, this is all what I got in ingots from the aluminum cans I melted today. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingots, 4 big ones and 2 smaller ones, but these 2 combined together and are as big as a bigger one. 3 corn ingots, and these smaller cool corn ingots I might turn into chains or something else, or like medallions or something. That would look pretty good. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, hit that thumbs up, and share the video to your friends and family. That'd be really awesome. Thanks for watching guys.